This is the first oil change on a Honda GCV160 Lawn Mower engine. Honda recommends changing it after the first month or first 5 hours of use. I've run the engine for about 5 minutes to warm up the oil so that it drains quickly and completely. I then waited a moment or two to allow the exhaust area to cool down. Turn off the fuel. Clean any debris from the oil fill cap area. There's no oil filter, but there is an air filter. I'm using 10W30 oil. Here's a page from the owner's manual. Depending on the average operating temperature range, you may want to use a different oil. Some Honda engines have a drain plug. I'll go out on a limb and say that if it has a long filler neck like this one, it won't have a drain plug on the underside of the engine. Find a clean spot for the oil dipstick. Tip the mower to dump the oil. The oil capacity is 17 ounces, but all the oil won't drain out. The refill amount is 12 to 13.5 ounces. I've marked the 20 ounce mark on my oil bottle, and I'll use the window to pour in the minimum amount. To get an accurate reading, wait a few moments for the oil to settle, then check the level with the dipstick. You don't screw it in to the filler, just put it in and then check. The oil is covering all the X's. Most auto parts stores will take the drain oil for free. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.